Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this episode we are going to be replacing the bezel that was around here on this tailgate. We got our new one from China. It was like $6, $7. So we're going to be replacing this. Let's see how well it works. We can just open up the package. Clips here, spots here, those fit down here. Alright, got the bottom ones latched in, and then we can latch in the top ones. You can see that there's still a little gap there where those have to clip in. Now it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video of how to put a bezel on a Chevy tailgate. Enjoy!